Hello, Pile Tree! Welcome! This is your reading. So, nakikita ko dito na yung taong para sa inyo is marami pang healing na ginagawa para sa sarili niya. Then, yung mga personality na ng gantong tao, yung, alam niyo yung malapit na sa emo, yung parang kinikim-kim lang nila yung mga bagay-bagay, mabilis sila ma-disappoint. So, gusto nila, some of them are people pleaser. So, they always want the best for their people or for the people they care about. And also, di bali nang sila yung mag-sacrifice, wag lang yung person na mahahalaga sa kanila. So, some of these people is like, alam niyo yung parang yung sobrang tino. Yung parang mga nagiging president ng klase, yung mga guy type of president ng klase, yung mga babae na nagiging president. Yung parang ganun. So, marami pa tong hinahanap marami pa siyang kailangang ayusin. Shadow work or mga past traumas, hindi niya pa nakikita yung sarili niya. So, it could be a Virgo in Mars or Venus, or as well air sign, which is Aries, Libra, and it could be Aries too, since nabanggit ko siya. So this will be an air sign as well. Just take whatever it is that resonates. So Aquarius, Gemini, and Libra. Alright, thank you so much for being here. Comment down below if it resonates with you, and let me know what was your experience for this reading. That's all. Bye.